Hi guys, I grew these mushrooms from this kit, Grow Gourmet Mushrooms from coffee grounds. Pretty successful. I was a bit surprised because I was given the kit last Christmas and I didn't touch it until October, so they'd been stored for about 8 months. 9 months, 10 months. Anyway, I've eaten a few of them. My wife's going to do something with the rest of them, but I thought I'd pinch the biggest one and stick it on this black piece of card for a spore print. I'm going to use black card because I've noticed where this has been standing, there's white spore on the table beneath it. So there's no point in putting these on a white card, I'm going to have to put them on a black card. So, I'll pinch that nice looking one just there, stick it on there and just leave it and see what happens. Not quite sure, I think I might cut the stalk off so it lays a bit flatter. I was also thinking I might just put this plastic tray over the top, just to reduce any drafts that are around. I've added a second one because that one looks like a good shape as well. So we'll have 2. This has been about 4 hours I've left this now, I think. So I can see we've got something there. We've got some white spray around the edges. In fact, it looks like it's that one that I put on afterwards rather than that one. So we'll have a look. Oh, yes, we have got stuff there. Let's have a look at this one. Oh, in fact, that one gave us a clearer print. That one's been more generalised sort of spray. Yeah, there we go. So that's our spore print. So that's the better looking one. That one's just sort of sprayed out apart from right round the edges. So that was that one. Oh, lost the focus. There we go. So that was too far away from the paper, I think, really. Whereas that one was closer. And got the better result. And I say that's only about 4 hours. That'll do. Thanks for watching. If you like that, then you might like this. And if you like this and that, you might like to subscribe over there.